What's good, man? It's Shaquel Samaai with the banger, man. What I learned actually from trading the Forex market. Did it make me a better person or a bad person? Actually, it made me a superpower. Trading has actually taught me that you either become a better person or you're gonna become a bad person. When I say bad person, I'm not necessarily that robbing banks and stuff like that. It's that you either gonna show your true traits or characteristics in the bad side, which is like you either revenge trading or you agree or you're a person that's scared, and that's gonna all come out. Or the good sides where you actually see, you are disciplined and you follow your plans and all these, like the good side. So it's actually showing. That's one thing I actually learned, but I didn't write that down. Anyway, let's go over there and actually see what I wrote down. Oh, the first one is strategy. One of the main things I actually learned is that a lot of traders focus on too many strategies. It's focus on one strategy, and that's what I've done. So cut off this noise and just focus on one simple thing. Too many strategies. One will say buy, one will say sell, and then you lose the confidence into taking a trade because now you don't know which one to actually take. So many traders in the beginning, because everyone comes in the trade and look for strategy. Like the first thing traders have to do is look for strategy, and they look for too many strategies from too many YouTubers, different Forex channels, like on Telegram, on Instagram. One person trades stochastic, other person trades RSI, other person trades candlesticks, other person trades trend lines. Everyone trades differently. But what you have to do is just focus on one simple strategy, perfect that one strategy. No matter what, the wins or losses, at the end of the day, you will come profitable. Get the best broker, best withdrawals for the first day, best spreads, whatever you want to do. Guys, stop fussing about the brokerage. Stop fussing about it. What I say is that when you start trading, get one regulated broker that shows good withdrawals and has the markets that you want to trade. That's it. Stop fussing about that person, that big trader there he's trading with this broker, he's trading with that broker, okay, I must go with him. Guys, cut down the noise, and the same as the strategy. Focus on just one broker. You just have one broker that's gonna work. If you don't have a broker, I'll put a link down below, right? That's one of the books I recommend that I personally use and maybe it can benefit with you. If you want it, just sign down below. There's a link in the bio. Okay? Emotions. Hey, I think this emotion is gonna take 70, 40, I don't know how many hours. A million hours. In that shop. When you start coming to trading, I've experienced that I went through the roller coaster of feeling like I'm winning all the time, and the next I feel like I don't know what's happening. I need a new strategy, I need a new mentor, I need a new cause, I need signals, and then after that it's like boom, I don't know what's happening, and then boom, I know what's happening. That's basically a roller coaster of what's happening in trading. You need to be able to handle those emotions in a correct manner. So get methods that will help you to overcome certain emotions. Methods such as Vermouth, that's one of my favorite ones. Breathing techniques, learn to meditate, learn to yoga. That's one of the yogas I actually did this morning. So start learning how to maybe do yoga, start learning to exercise, start dealing with emotions in a healthy way. In a healthy ways, find methods that can help you to overcome these emotions. Don't sulk on those emotions, because what happens if you start sulking and put your attention on those emotions, guess what? You're going to attract more of those emotions. Basically, discipline is one of the things I actually learned in trading. In the beginning, I was more of, just let's go. Put a lot size, just bang it and then stick a trade and make money. And then I had this vision of just risking so much and then it's out the window. Because I was so excited to make money. I learned that discipline is the key to success. Once you start having a systematic approach to the market, and I mean this by having a plan, you know exactly what time you're trading. I said this before. Time to trade, what market you're trading, and the strategy to use. You have the same strategy, same broker, deal the same way with emotions, and that's discipline. Once you start following this every single day, it just equals to success. And that's something I've learned from discipline. Start implying these things and you see what happens. There's nothing wrong with that. Before trading and during trading and still currently, I become more spiritual. I started meditating much more, I started praying more, I started worshipping my God more. The stronger I become in my trading, it gave me the wisdom to actually take my trades. I learned to deal with how to deal with my body, which actually resulted to deal with emotions in a healthy way, which we just spoke about. It's just that it made me a much more better person. And the more I went deep into trading, I found that it's nothing to do with the strategy. It's just find one strategy. It has nothing to do with the base trading plan. It has to deal with myself, my inner being, becoming healthy within yourself. in your mindset, the way you feel, the way you think, whatever you think and feel will become your reality. And the more deeper I go to train, the more I get to understand myself spiritually. Like, I need to become stronger with my faith. And I have faith that my tradings will go right. I have faith that I'll become a successful trader. And the more I believe inside me, the more spiritual I become. And it just as a result of my training that I become a successful trader. My view. It changed my view, honestly, a lot. And it will change your view on life. It's going to change your view on money. It's going to change your view on the relationships. It's going to change your view on the Forex market itself. You'll come into the market thinking the market's easy. Next step you find the market's hard to trade. And that's just a view of you that's been changed due to the fact that whatever you did in the beginning, following too many strategies, fussing about brokers, doing the wrong things with your emotions, not having discipline, that all have a bad effect on your view on the market, right? So if you're in that kind of state, what I do is change your view on the market. Start first performing one strategy. Don't fuss about brokers. Learn about emotions, discipline, become more spiritually, and you'll see that afterwards your view on the market becomes positive. Because you're doing all the great stuff, all the positive things, which will equal to positivity. And the more I actually viewed that my view started like, focus on the positive things, and you see that, training usually becomes positive. Because what happens is, if you start focusing your view on, the negative side, i.e. the loss, that trader on Instagram is making so much money, I should follow his strategy. What happens is your view on yourself, or your confidence within yourself is low. You don't trust yourself anymore. Why don't you trust yourself? Don't you believe that you're worthy of your dreams? Don't you believe you're worthy of success in training? Why do you need someone else's signals to confirm what you're seeing on the market? You don't need that, And that's where I started seeing that my view on the market should be more positive. I am great. I am positive. I am abundant. I am consistent, profitable. And the more I say these things, my view on the market became positive. And it's result into positivity, which will result in money. And it was like, wow, this is so amazing. Like, let's just keep my view positive and focus on my craft, focus on my strategy, focus on my discipline, focus on who I am. And my view is different now. Not like, oh, my friend says this, he says that, I must go with that. Oh, that signal said buy, that's why I must go buy. Why do you need someone else to confirm what you think? Are you not worthy of taking a good trade? Do you see? Your perspective needs to be different, your view needs to be different in the market. And that's what really made me become a better trader. That's basically what I learned from trading, guys. I just want to thank you guys for watching this video, till the end. I appreciate your time and effort. I really, really do. May you be blessed in abundance. And don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and please do subscribe. Thank you once again. Your voice signing out, Shaquel Samaai.